carrier, what do we see? Three things. What ball carrier?
Tres cosas el que lleva la pelota.
100%, yeah. If I say 50%, 50%. If we say game situation 100%, sometimes just 50% technique. Okay, so there, ball carrier 100%, protect the ball. So score the try. Here. There's a fight. There's a fight here. Fight. Down. Okay, very important. What else? Yep, move into space. Step. Yeah, square up. Okay, good. Body height. Okay, cleaners. What do we see for the cleaners? Number talk. Number one and number two. Not both of them coming in.
The clearer is the planer take on.
Yep, down, up. Yep, shoulders below, under, defense shoulder. Or if you can't, crocodile. Yep, you know what a crocodile is?
Yeah.
Yep. And what's the most important thing? First cleaner. On the first cleaner. Number one. What's my most important thing? Over here. There. Number two, same. Because protection. Protect this. It's not our idea. And then a defender this side. Here. Number one goes that side. We come over the ball. We look up, and here I can go left, or I can go right. I can control.
Or you can take both.
Yeah, or I could go through the middle of both. Okay, number one, he wants to get to here. Number one, he wants to hit. Let drive to here. Now, the opposition gate. You know what the gate is?
Yeah. La puerta.
Coming back. If I'm here. I'm in their gate. They can't come in. Finished. Game over. Number two over the top. Okay? And number one, you've got to watch me. When I start to go down, number one, take the space on top of me. Very important. Okay? That drill there, I went into the All Black camp for a week.
Estuvo con los All Blacks por una semana.
That drill there last year, that's all they do for cleaning. That's all they do.
Ese drill que acaban de hacer es todo lo que hacen.
That's all they do. They do it at 100%.
Lo hacen al 100%.
I know they're a different level, but it's a nice, simple drill. From there, then we can go into game situations. Okay? Any questions?
¿Alguna pregunta?
We got better once we ran at 100%. The fit number one was getting closer over the ball. Small steps on balance. We got a lot better. You do that 3 or 4 times, you get better. Decision making, number one, number two. Timing, decision making.
Que hay mucho de toma de decisiones ahí, el primero y el segundo. And the jackal, the one that's fishing for the ball.
The defender?
Yep.
If we win the contact, so if he's a tackler, if he makes a good tackle, the inside defender,
El defensor que está adentro,
should always come in and try and go at the ball.
si le hicieron un buen tackle,
Tackle,
ahí te pone la posición.
tackle, go to ground. Yeah, I should always come in and look to go for the ball, the inside one. Always.
El que está del lado de adentro siempre tiene que tratar de ir por la pelota.
What I should do,
Si le hicieron un buen tackle,
what I should do, it depends on the referees. Every referee's different. I should go down, back. I should come in, just keep the ball in close. No. Yep. You should try. Yep. I should be going down here. Back here. Wide feet. Wide.
bien abiertas las piernas.
I might put my knee on him, but I'm hitting, and then I'm coming back to here. If the referee penalises me, I change. If a referee penalises me,
Si el referí lo penaliza por eso, cambio, hago otra la próxima.
every referee is different. You have to be smart.
Hay que estar pillo, hay que estar atento, hay que ver lo que hace el referí y en base a eso actuar.
But if I can go, if I can come in and I can go to there, and come back, right, pass, back, not here. Come in. If I go to here, hit the fight, then it gets me to here. Okay? Come in now, come in. I go to there, and then push us back.
¿Entendés?
You understand?
For some referees, that might be like ruck, and you
Yes.
can touch it.
No.
Oh.
If he calls ruck,
Okay. Sí, pero
That's before the
but
right.
some referees might say you didn't hold your body weight.
Que no mantuviste el peso de tu cuerpo. Quizás un referí puede decir eso.
If you touch
Pero
for
si
1
to-
second or half a second, come off. So usually it's okay. But you can't go 1, 2, 3. Going.
Eso sí es un penal, pero si tocas por un segundo y venís,
Come on and go. Hit. Usually it's okay.
generalmente eso está bien.
So just wait here. Ready? When I say go, we'll both go. Okay? Ready? Go. Yeah. Back. I've got it here. I've got it coming wide. Wide, so then I can get down here. Okay? Just do that. If he's here, there, I can try to go there. See my knees? I can try to go there, on here, try to lean on him there, pull back to there, then come up. So cheat, it's a little bit of cheating.
Hay un poquito de
Knees
trampa
here,
ahí.
half a second knees.
Medio segundo, la rodilla sobre
What?
el
This
que
is,
está en el piso.
that's no good. That's no good. But fast, okay, so if I come in, watch, okay, go. Understand? Yes. Yeah.